Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve day 9 challenge, which is nothing but second largest number in a list in Python. Let's get started. So the problem is nothing but to find the second largest element in a list. So we already know that where we find the largest number in the list. So same as like that in a sorting or maximum, we have used such type of functions in that, same as to find in this second largest also. So just some variations, but this program or this problem is really most important for the interviews, where commonly asked for the to find the second largest number in a list. So we have to be careful when writing, means they may ask in different ways, like without loop and without not loop, how we can go to approach for to solve this. So such type of questions they might ask. So let's try to solve this. Okay, so here they have given an input and output is 45, where it is the second largest number. So here giving some hints to find the largest number. First find the largest number and then find the next largest number is smaller than the first. Think of it like a race. The gold medal goes to the largest number and silver goes to the second largest number. Okay, so here given that like sort in ascending order, then second largest. Let's try to do that. So here have created a file day 9 second largest number. So let's define function second largest list. Second largest is okay. So first we have to give the array is nothing but like a list. So in this, first we have to sort that list, is it? So array dot sort, so it would be sorted in an ascending order. Then we have to return array of last element, means -1. Now we have to print was second largest number. Let's stay same like this example input. So output should be is nothing but 45, because 99 means it is the highest number. So let's try to run this file. Yes, so sorry, I have written the last number, right? So we have to return the second largest number. So it would be sorted in ascending order and last uh, element is 99 and it is another second largest element. Okay, 45, yes. So normally sorted by the two ways, like for example, let's say n is equal to sorted of array. It is also sorted in like a ascending order. So we have to return n of -2. Let's see it's working or not. Yes, it is working. So in this way also we can return that. Next, normally by using what we can say the loop, right? Loop. So let's try to solve that. In that, in the previous, to find the largest number, where we use the num in array, just by checking each, if num is greater than largest nothing but first element, is it largest, then we have to update the largest one, is it the largest one. So if not, we have to return that. So in this way we return the largest, but here we want the second largest, is it, but it is second largest. So firstly we have to define both the variables. So is equal to 0 and largest is equal to 0. So by this we can track the largest and second largest in the both way. So here it's directly calculates the largest number. Then we have to update every time the second largest number, is it? So let's say if it is like, for example, it is like a 10. So one thing that in the loop we are here, we not sorting, so iterative will also give the best time complexity when doing such types, like not only sorting these all things. Okay, so let's say it is a 10, so it goes the 10 and 10 is greater than the largest is nothing but 0. uh, Defining a float of minus in f means it is like a, which is nothing but a, like a least small number. Okay, most small number. So just we comparing each one. So first we have to define this condition. So it is like checking 10 is greater than largest. Yes, so we have to improve that, and in that way, in the same way, we have to also update the second largest number as largest, because largest one will be here updating. So we have to it is changing its direction, so it would be placed in second largest number, is it? So next 20 will comes, 20 is greater than second largest means 10. Yes, so then second largest will updates to the 10 and largest number will updates to the 20. Next 4 will comes, 4 is greater than 20, no. Then 45 comes, 45 is greater than largest means 20. Yes, so largest will update here, second largest will be 20. Now 99 comes, yes, 99 is greater than the largest, so then largest will appears to the second largest, which is nothing but 45, and that main largest number 99 will be updated here. We are here like a, we are tracking two things, that is largest and second largest, both we are tracking. So then we have to return this. Let's try to run if it is get or not. Yes, it is getting our output, which is nothing but 45. Next, in another way means like tracking the maximum number, I think so. Let's try to do that. Let's say maximum of number, sorry, maximum of array, which is nothing but a largest, is it? So then we have to remove the last number, is it? So largest dot remove which is nothing but largest. No. In the array, is it? In the array, we have to remove the largest one. That would be placed in second largest. So let's try to run, and we have to return that also. Return second largest. So let's try to run. Okay, output is getting none, removed, and okay, we have to get, I think, like -1. Let's try to see. No type error I'm getting. So largest one is nothing but maximum. In that array, I have removing the largest number. I think it would be like separate. Then largest of, no, now array of -1 is nothing but second largest number. Yes, here we are removing the first, like a 99, then we getting the second largest number. Or we can go like a maximum function, right? So let's write that, and we can also track by choosing the, like, for example, maximum of array, and which is nothing but largest, and so I think by for num in like array, if largest should be, see, num should be like a greater than largest, is it? And uh, num should be less than largest, for which what we have to update the second largest. So let's say I am defining here second largest is equal to like a float, polyglot float minus inf, is it? So let's define the second largest is equal to num. So firstly, largest is nothing but 99 in that list. For example, in this list it is nothing but 99. So second largest number is 0, which is nothing but nothing value. So it is, for example, num should be like 10 is greater than 99, no, and 10 should be greater than, should be less than, no, it should be greater than, right? Greater than second largest, is it? So that number should be updated in this. So number should be less than the largest number and number should be greater than the largest number. How you got my point? Like for example, 10 here, 10 is largest number, it is nothing but 99. Yes, 10 is less than 99 and 10 is greater than this one. Yes, so it will update here second largest number. Next 20 here goes, and 20 is less than 99. Yes, and 20 should be greater than, is greater than, 20 should be greater than, I think it is should be, let's try to run it, return second largest. So sorry for that interference. So for that, for example, num 20, is it? 20 is greater than 10, not, is it? So then I think I have confused. Yes, getting output. Let's say that, let's try to debug this. Okay, it's loading. So let's try to see the approaches, how it's going. Or it's still loading. Yeah, it's good. So observe here, that's how it's going. First goes here largest 99 and second largest number, which is nothing but sorry, second largest number which is nothing but infinity. Here updating, see. So then if the number means which is 10 is less than largest, yes, and 10 is greater than, should be less, then should be updates here, and 20 should be less than this one and 20 is greater than 10, yes, so it will updates here. Then again same as like the checking, 4 is not in this range, and here also, and see here updating the second largest number. How now? Let's say in last word, I think yes, number 99 is less than 99, or it is not correct, right? So then it gets output, then output will be is nothing but prints 45. Okay, so that's really good to see. Let's try to stop this. Okay, let's see what are the approaches that ChatGPT was given, and I also gone through these approaches so that I'm easily doing. But I also tried by more by own by these things, but the approaches is not the way to solve. Like it should, we should be keep in mind that when we was arise the edge cases on base conditions or anything that like, and time complexity, space complexity, they may think, they interviewers may think that how we are solving, why this approach is going through that. So all are saying like that. Let's try to see the approaches. Yes, sorting is nothing but directly in the array have sorted like that, right? Sorted and return the last number minus 1. And sort means arranges the smallest to largest, and minus 2 means second item of that. Okay, so let's try to go on all approaches, sorting method. Here use listing sorting and negative indexing. Okay, here the mostly edge cases will be arise, is it, where it, which is nothing but if the all numbers are duplicates or same time repeating, it will give the 30 and 20 correctly. If the list has duplicates like this, it will give the 20 and correctly, but if the elements are same like this will give the wrong. Okay, if in the list already we have the same elements, then we'll give the wrong answer, so we can fix by the set. Okay, it is also one of the methods, so we can observe that. For unique numbers, we have converting here to the set numbers into a list, and then we are sorting, and directly we are getting the last second number, is it. So here also some edge cases may arrive that set matter, that if the same number is then it will cause the index error, is it. So we have to use this condition for the edge case. Here in the set that removes the duplicates and then sort the unique and takes the next, and set will remove the duplicates and list converts since it is unordered. So okay, sort will does the ascending order. Okay, so edge cases we have to solve this. If the length is less than 1, then no second largest element is found, we have to print that. Okay, without sorting, manual comparison, I think this may all they may ask. For example, same I did like first we have to take the first. Okay, they are taking this and checking if the number is greater than the first one, then update to the second one and take the first one. Like first one means first largest, second largest. L if number is greater than, and okay, this also condition also use that, which is nothing but if number is greater than, like for example here number is greater than largest, then it is same as like updating the tracking second largest number. L if it is not greater than, then number should be greater than, and okay, it should not be duplicate. Here it is number should not be equal to the first one, and number should be greater than the second one. Okay, here we loop through the list and keep the track of the two numbers, first and second, and update them as we go. Okay, it is like another edge type condition. Okay, when we arise like if it is not greater than, then how we can go through, is it. So I think I all solve here such type of thing, is it. Yes. Then here use the single loop, conditional updating, and float in F to initialize the smallest possible value, is it. Here big of n, which is nothing but only one loop, so number of inputs is equal to the big of n. How the loop will run based on the inputs, right. No sorting, no faster for large list. Okay, edge cases is nothing but we have to define this. Like for example, here firstly we have to define that if the length is like that, let's say we try. So if we have to return, right, return if array. Here, yeah, here using directly set. In the previous it is not used, like, which is nothing normally if the, okay, here not doing anything, but in this case we will arise a problem, so that it is doing. But in this way, here already we are doing this, sorting this, after that we have to do that. Okay, let's try to run. What if this will be present? Let's say I am giving this, output will be no second largest number. Okay, next built-in function which is nothing but maximum, and it is nothing tracking the first largest number, and it is using remove all occurrences, means while largest number in the array, then it removes the largest one, which is nothing but if 99, for example, in our list 99 is the greatest. If 99 is present in the list is number of times, then it is removing that, then directly giving the maximum in the list and giving that. Okay, so it is just like a finding largest and removing the list and then find the list. Okay, while loop, remove, and maximum function. In this, if all elements are same, numbers will become empty. So we have to define the edge case for the maximum function, because it will throw an error. Okay, maximum will fail, then it will throw an error that it is not getting the second maximum number if we delete that first, right? Are you understanding? Like for example, here we are removing the first largest number. If the element only present one, then maximum function here will throws an error. So next, because remove the inside loop is costly. Okay, here while doing while loop, then it's real costly and not best for the largest list. Okay, then okay, next approach is nothing but a heap queue. As I said that there will be have minimum heap and maximum heap, which is nothing but tree like type structure. Okay, efficient for the largest data sets, as I said that which is nothing but it will give more efficient for the top n largest or minimum smallest numbers. So it is just like finding n largest number, two elements, which is nothing but for example, in this n largest number means these are 99 and 45. So we want the index, which is nothing but like a 99, 45. So here we want the 0 and 1 index. So 1 index will be output will be printed. Is it? So heap module used for the priority queues and heaps, and n largest function. So here this log n log nk will be that. Edge cases is nothing but sorry. So here the approaches we have used like sorting, not best for the interview, and set sort, which is not also best. So I think manual may be best for the interview. If they may ask how you use the sort means, then we have used like this manual loop, and more for efficiency use the heap queue. Okay, reason it is a logic building and understanding the conditions. Okay, also common in the coding assessments also. And I have tried this last one, this is I have tried, then I have given to the ChatGPT, then it is saying where in that I have not used float in it, that is the error I have did in that. So it is saying that it takes and output will be 18, because here checking with 0, right? You are starting the base value 0 and the greater one the current will be like that, output will be 18, but it is the issue because function will be in this also. If it is a negative number, then minus 0 will not work here. Okay, sorry, in this it is correct, but if if it is also one of the edge cases, if we have the negative numbers, right? So we expected minus 2 when comparing with the 0, is it? So because you said the largest is 0, so for all negative numbers no value is greater than the loop will fails, right? So we have to define the float in f, which is nothing but it is negative, like a negative infinity. So output will be 2. So all positive will get the 18 and all negative then we'll get the use this. For same numbers, then no largest number need condition, and only one element then it also need condition. So improvise like this, same as like we did, and yes, it is same like that. Yes. So it is like a different type, like for example all positives, all negatives, and duplicates and single elements. So same as like doing this is like a max will take the big of n, this is also big of n, so it will be then summing this same will be present in that. Okay, so that's all for today. So we have solved through the sort and sorted and loop, and also by maximum function to find this, and also by the loop and max function. So it is also nothing but the efficient way. So that's all for today, and in next video we're going to the day 10 challenge and try to solve this by your own. And if you like this video, uh, please, if you like this video, then subscribe your channel, and don't forget to practice daily, so it will be useful when you do try to practice. And see you in the next video.